Hey folks, Robert Lewis here with Lone Star Surf and Turf Adventures. And this weekend I was fortunate enough to be invited by Gabe Aguilar to the Elderado Ranch in Uvalde, Texas. Now Gabe is the manager at Performance Contracting in the San Antonio area, and he has a passion for hunting, fishing, and taking care of his customers here. Now the Elderado Ranch is owned and operated by Joe Elder and his wife Laura Jane, and let me tell you, their gracious hospitality and kind hearts made a visit to the Elderado Ranch unforgettable. And Joe is an outfitter here in Texas and has access to premier properties for whitetail bucks, exotic game, wild hogs, fishing, and best of all, entertaining. So if you'd like to make your search for an adventure short and sweet, then just contact Joe and Laura Jane at www.eldorado.net, and I promise you won't regret it. Now the first morning we were treated to a breakfast that seemed to be the cure for the woes of the night before, and within a few short minutes we were full of energy and ready to get after some birds.
Two pointers and then a flush dog, like you guys, I'm sure you guys have been doing, and then obviously let the birds get up, you know, a little bit away from the dogs. If you shoot a dog, I gotta tell you, it's $5,000, whether it's one pellet or the whole load. But you know, can we do 2 for $9? Right down there in case those guys miss. All right, Wiley, whoa! Get him up, Jess. Get him up. Get him up. And Miriam too, or whatever. Yeah. Why don't you just hit it with the barrel, Tom? Got them both and landing gear too. Got it. Oh, huh? Yes, I'll call up. Yes. Great. Yes. You get that on film?
I did.
Yeah, that was great. You rolled it. Over. Nice shot. Come on, Wiley boy. Test you. Oh, look at it right here. Right here. You got them all. A bunch of them. I think you got every one of them. Get him up, Jeff. Get him! There, baby. Nice shot! And nice shot. Wiley, here's the end there, Gabe. All right. Whoa, Wiley, whoa! Get him up, get him up. Get jumpy.
Not the most colorful bird, but pretty nonetheless.
Absolutely.
Wiley, whoa! Yeah. Come on. Nice shot.
Good shooting, boys.
Still up. Not no more.
Now folks, I want to thank y'all for tuning in here, but I'd also like to thank Gabe, Joe, and Laura Jane as well. You know, their vision here has created a whole new class of entertainment and service in the outdoor industry. So check them out.